What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best printers for heat transfer paper. Imagine receiving an order to print a bunch of t-shirts or other garments. You decide to do it by transferring the graphics using transfer paper and a heat press. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 printers for heat transfer paper. Number 1. Workforce WF7710 printers for heat transfer paper. The Workforce WF7710 is an Epson model that comes with amazing features that you will find handy if you'd like to print on heat transfer paper. Wide format color inkjet for more range of color printing. All-in-one capability for productivity. Lastly, it has all the wireless connectivity features that you'll need to make it as accessible as possible. Packs in all wireless features for connectivity. Works with Alexa as an added feature. Number 2. Canon Pixma G6020 printers for heat transfer paper. Canon is yet another trusted brand, and if you're looking for a heat transfer vinyl printer, its Pixma G6020 all-in-one super tank will be a great selection. Capacity of 350 sheets with ability to print specialty paper. Efficient printer with a 6.8 ppm printing speed. The reason why this unit is suitable for someone seeking the best printers for transfer paper is that it creates quality prints. Uses 4 inks that can be pigment or dye-based. Versatile, does printing, copying, and scanning. Number 3. Brother MFC J491 DW printers for heat transfer paper. The Brother wireless all-in-one inkjet printer may be exactly what you need. Has Wi-Fi connectivity for cable-free printing. (100 sheet input capacity with an adjustable paper tray. Automatic document feeder for ease of use. A unique thing about Brother printers is that they consistently deliver reliability and quality, so you can focus on the greater picture. Comes with cloud printing capability for remote printing. 1.8-inch color LCD for effortless control. Number 4. HP Smart Tank Plus 551 printers for heat transfer paper. Try the HP Smart Tank Plus 551. Albeit small, this machine comes with several functions, and it also has a good capacity for home use or a small office. The colors are vibrant and the printing quality is crisp. Versatile functions: print, copy, and scan. Quality is something you can't ignore when doing heat transfer printing. Thankfully, this printer has you covered in that regard. Has a good capacity for home or a small office, up to 100 sheets input. Compact and suitable for small spaces. Number 5. Epson Stylus C88 Plus printers for heat transfer paper. Of all the factors that determine the best printer for t-shirt transfer paper, one factor stands out: the quality of the prints. Efficient printing speed, 14 ppm for color images. Uses pigment ink for quality transfers. This unit prints flawlessly on all sorts of paper. You can feed plain paper, glossy photo paper, and even HTV. Great paper handling capability, 120 sheets input tray. This machine uses the DURA Bright Ultra Pigment ink.